Is it the right time to buy or sell Exxon stock? In this video, we will delve into Exxon in greater detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, December 8, 2023, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 22, 2023, our system has identified Exxon as a sell candidate, with a score of -2.71. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. The stock saw a loss of -4.29%. This means it has been experiencing an average daily loss of -0.36% since it was labeled as a sell candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a downward trend in the short term, which could present a great buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $98.13 is broken, it may indicate a more significant decrease in value. Based on the past 3 months, there is a potential decrease of -14.72% in the next 3 months. The estimated return could range between -15.94% and -9.82%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a possible decrease of -3.14% over the next year. The projected return falls between -5.62% and 16.18%. This means the stock price could range from $93.95 to $115.66 in a year. In our latest update on Exxon, we have some exciting news to share. The stock experienced a green day on Friday, gaining an impressive 1.15%. On the last trading day, the Exxon stock price increased from $98.42 to $99.55. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $98.75 and a high of $99.79, showing a 1.05% difference. It's worth noting that the stock has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days, resulting in a 4.8% decline overall. Additionally, the volume of shares traded decreased by 8 million, with a total of 22 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $2.19 billion. A decrease in volume at higher prices can indicate a potential divergence and serve as an early warning for future changes. Looking at the bigger picture, over the past 52 weeks, the highest price the stock reached was $126.54, while the lowest price was $98.02. Currently, the stock is trading at a price that is 21.33% or $26.99 below its 52-week high. It's important to note that this 52-week high is also the all-time high for the stock. Welcome to today's video on analyst ratings. Let's dive into the latest updates. On Friday, November 10, 2023, Piper Sandler gave ExxonMobil a grade of overweight with a corresponding action of hold. Moving on to Thursday, November 2, 2023, Bernstein rated ExxonMobil as outperform with a hold action. Now let's go back to Friday, October 27, 2023, when CFRA upgraded ExxonMobil to a buy grade. Likewise, on the same day, Bernstein also provided an outperform grade for ExxonMobil with an initialize action. Lastly, on Friday, October 27, 2023, Wells Fargo rated ExxonMobil as overweight with a hold action. According to analysts, Exxon stock has received a general rating of strong buy. The PE ratio and price-to-book ratio are both rated as strong buy. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Today, let's take a look at Exxon and analyze the signals that have been identified. On Thursday, December 7, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 1.15%. This suggests that there may be further rise until a new top pivot is found. However, it's important to note that the volume fell during the last trading day, despite gaining prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be seen as an early warning. Therefore, it's crucial to closely monitor the stock's performance. Additionally, some negative signals have also been issued, which could potentially impact the near short-term development. The Exxon stock currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast for the stock. Moreover, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. This further supports a bearish outlook. On corrections up, the stock may face resistance at $100.81 and $104.52. A breakup above any of these levels would issue buy signals, which could potentially alter the current trend. It's important to keep an eye on these price levels. Lastly, it's worth mentioning that there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. This adds to the overall negative sentiment surrounding the stock. Let's explore some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. The short-term moving average gave a sell signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average also gave a sell signal 48 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 45 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average gave a buy signal 27 days ago. The long-term moving average also showed a buy signal 27 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages also indicated a buy signal 27 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Exxon. Exxon currently finds support from accumulated volume at $99.11. This means that there is a potential buying opportunity as the stock is likely to react positively when this support level is tested. Additionally, Exxon is known for its controlled movements and has good liquidity, making the risk associated with this stock relatively low. Looking at the recent performance, the stock had a daily price range of $1.04, or 1.05%, which indicates a moderate level of volatility. Over the past week, the average daily volatility has been around 2%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Exxon, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could indicate a low expectation for the future of the company or that the stock is undervalued, which might present a potential buying opportunity. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on January 30, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for earnings are at $2.21. These numbers can have a significant impact on stock prices, so it's important to keep an eye on them. Today, let's delve into some potential day trading levels for Exxon. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for Exxon stands at $106.47. For those who don't currently hold any shares, it might be prudent to wait for this level to be breached before considering entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be an interesting level to explore for swing trading opportunities. On the downside, Exxon encounters its first support level at $99.11. If this support level holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, with the potential for a rebound. The consensus rating for Exxon, according to multiple analyst sources, is strong buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On December 4, 2023, McKee Karen T. sold 4,548 shares of common stock. On December 4, 2023, Malin Liam M. sold 7,693 shares of common stock. On December 4, 2023, Gibbs John M. sold 2,076 shares of common stock. On December 4, 2023, Fox Leonard M. sold 4,880 shares of common stock. On December 4, 2023, Tally Darren L. sold 1,783 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be positive with a ratio of 29.800. In total, insiders purchased 16,590,832 shares and sold 2,311,531 shares in the last 100 trades. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock, and it is important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is Exxon stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, Exxon currently holds several negative signals and is experiencing a falling trend. This suggests that it may perform weakly in the next few days or weeks. Therefore, we hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Furthermore, our systems have identified that the current price of Exxon is overvalued after analyzing its volatility and movements in the last trading day. Looking ahead to Monday, December 11th, we anticipate that Exxon will open with a decrease of $0.188, starting trading at $99.36. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions related to securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We're excited to hear your thoughts, so make sure to comment below and share your opinion. What price target do you have in mind? We encourage you to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest trading insights. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for joining us here at Stock Invest.